There are a lot of people out there wondering, why is Bitcoin going up so much? Okay, if you see what I'm about to show you now, you will understand. And if you don't hold enough Bitcoin, you should be concerned. Watch this.
Take on Trump's victory. Now let's find out what wealthy investors think with Barbara Goodstein, managing partner at R360, an ultra-wealthy community for centimillionaires. Barbara, good morning. Great to have you here. So last time you were here, you wore red. You said it was by accident. This time you said it was on purpose. So is that a sign of what these centimillionaires think about this election?
Well, that is a sign that Trump won the election, and we think that there is a lot of big news coming. We had our market opportunities and risk meeting last week, and there's a lot of upside from this win.
All right, so these investors are excited about the win and obviously what it means going forward. One thing you say they're excited about is Bitcoin. So I mentioned to one of our earlier guests that BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, it now has more assets under management than their gold ETF. Of course, we know gold is a safe haven. I know a lot of your investors, they hold gold as well. What's their sentiment when it comes to Bitcoin? And are they doing it directly or through ETF?
We're very high on Bitcoin, and we've been talking about Bitcoin for the past few years. We recommend doing it directly because you don't pay taxes if you're doing it directly, so that's a big difference. But we think that Bitcoin could become the next strategic reserve asset. So the country now holds 232,000 Bitcoin. We think that Trump could bump that up to over 1 million.
But what she said there is that the US government is more likely to make Bitcoin a reserve asset of the United States. And it makes sense for them to do so. It's actually a profitable strategy. And if they do that, they might want to pump their Bitcoin reserves to 1 million Bitcoin to be at the same level as Satoshi. Now, you do the math. US government have to print enough money to buy Bitcoin. And if they start scooping the market, who knows? Maybe it's them buying right now, the ones pushing the price up. Guys, we're about to become the leaders of this new world. What we're facing right now is the historical wealth transfer from old money to new money. Where's my proof for that? You just heard us say something. What did she say? She said, well, BlackRock is holding more Bitcoin ETF than their gold ETF. So now you have institutions that are boomer tech, held and controlled by a bunch of old people, boomers. But still, they understand the importance of Bitcoin, that they're holding more BTC than gold. This is the flippening. So if you look at the market right now, what is the gold market cap? Okay, so gold has a $17.5 million market cap, right? Bitcoin market cap. Let's find out. You see that we have at 88,000 Bitcoin, we have $1.7 trillion of market cap. So gold is 10 times more than Bitcoin in terms of market cap. And these numbers have to catch up at some point. And from a civilization point of view, we are in 2024. Gold is old money. You can never imagine a scenario where somebody says something so stupid. People used to say something as stupid as, but Bitcoin is worthless if there is no electricity. Imagine if all the electricity just goes down. It's like, bro, humanity is not going back there. Our entire livelihood now depends on energy to be running in some capacity. So Bitcoin is the standard, is the new gold, and people will have to dump their gold and rotate over to BTC. I don't think most of you are ready for that one.